Sam, why do you leave your dirty dishes in the sink every night?
Oh, calm down. I usually wash them in the morning.
But I need the sink for breakfast. It smells terrible.
Really? It doesn't smell that bad to me.
It does. I wake up early and I see a mountain of plates.
I just feel too tired after work to clean immediately.
I understand, but this habit really bothers me.
Okay, I see you're serious. What do you want me to do?
Please wash them before you go to bed. Just rinse them at least.
Fine, I promise to rinse the plates tonight.
That helps a lot. Thanks for understanding, Sam.
No problem. I don't want to be a bad roommate.
Great. Now let's order some pizza for dinner.
Wait, who washes the plates after the pizza? We do it together. Huh, deal.
I hate my morning commute. I arrive here exhausted every single day.
Why? Do you take the train or the bus?
I take the bus, but it stops at every single corner.
That sounds annoying. How long does the ride take?
It takes over an hour. I lose so much time.
My drive only takes 20 minutes. You live near me, right?
Yes, I live on Park Street. Why do you ask?
Well, I drive past your house every morning at 8.
Really? You drive right past my building?
Yes, I have plenty of space in my car.
Are you offering me a ride?
Absolutely. It makes sense. We work at the same place.
George, that saves my life. I can pay for gas.
Don't worry about it. Let's try it tomorrow.
You are the best. I feel better already.
See you at 8 o'clock sharp.
Tom, do you really eat a burger for lunch every day?
Yeah, it tastes great and it is cheap. Why?
That is so unhealthy. You never eat vegetables.
I eat the lettuce on the burger. That counts.
No, it doesn't. You look tired all the time. It's the food.
I feel fine. You worry too much, Lisa.
I worry because you are my friend. Your body needs vitamins.
Okay, but I hate salads. They're boring.
Not all salads. Some have chicken and spicy dressing.
That sounds a little better.
Look, just try a healthy wrap with me today. My treat.
Well, if it is free, I guess I can try it.
Perfect. You might actually like it.
Maybe. But if I hate it, I'm buying a burger tomorrow.
Deal. Let's go.
All right, lead the way.
We never do anything exciting on Sundays anymore, Clara.
What do you mean? We relax. It is my favorite day.
But we just sit on the sofa and watch TV all day.
I work hard all week. I need the rest.
I know, but I want to go hiking or visit a museum.
Hiking? Arthur, that sounds like so much work.
It gives you energy. The fresh air is good for you.
I feel happy right here with my book.
Please, just for 2 hours in the morning.
You really want to go out, don't you?
Yes, I feel bored when we stay inside.
Okay, how about a compromise?
I am listening.
We walk in the park for 1 hour. Then we relax.
That sounds fair. I take the deal.
Good. Now let me finish my coffee first.
Jenny, the shop opens at 9, but you arrive at 9:15.
I know, Mr. Banks. I am so sorry.
This happens almost every Tuesday. Is there a problem?
It is the bus schedule. The early bus often arrives late.
I see. But the customers wait outside while you travel.
I feel terrible about it. I run from the station.
We need a solution. Being late is bad for business.
I can take the earlier bus, but I arrive here at 8:30.
That is actually perfect.
Really? But the shop is closed then.
You can prepare the coffee and clean the counters.
So I start early and finish early.
Exactly. Does that work for you?
Yes, that is much better than being late.
Good. Let's change your schedule starting tomorrow.
Thank you, Mr. Banks.
Mrs. Gable, excuse me, does your dog usually stay outside at night?
Oh, hello, Robert. Yes, Buster loves the fresh air.
Well, he barks for hours. I can't sleep at all.
Really? Buster? He is usually such a quiet boy.
He sees the stray cats and goes crazy. It is very loud.
Oh, dear. I sleep at the back of the house.
I understand, but my bedroom faces your garden.
I didn't know he bothered you. I feel awful.
I work early shifts. I really need the silence.
Of course. I will keep him inside the house tonight.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
I don't want to be a noisy neighbor.
I appreciate it. He is a cute dog, just loud.
He won't disturb you again. Have a good day.
You too, Mrs. Gable.
Sophie, I don't understand this math chapter at all.
Calm down, Liam. We have the exam next week.
I know, but the formulas look like a foreign language.
You panic every time. You just need a system.
What is your system? You always get an A.
I study for 30 minutes, then I take a break.
I try to study for 4 hours straight.
That is the mistake. Your brain stops working.
So I actually need to study less?
No, you study smarter, not harder. Break it into small parts.
Okay. Can you help me with this first part?
Sure. Look at this example. What happens here?
Oh, the number moves to the other side.
Exactly. See? You can do it.
Wow, it seems easier when you explain it.
Let's keep going. 30 minutes only.
Leo, you look at that phone constantly. Put it down.
Dad, I am talking to my friends. It's important.
We are eating dinner. In my day, we talked to family.
Times change, Dad. This is how we communicate now.
But you ignore everyone at the table. It is rude.
I am just sending one text.
It is never just one text. It beeps every 5 seconds.
Fine, I will turn the sound off.
No, I want a no phone rule during meals.
Seriously? For the whole dinner?
Yes, just 20 minutes of real conversation.
Okay, but it feels weird.
You might enjoy it. How was school today?
It was... Actually, something funny happened in history class.
See? I want to hear about that.
All right. Let me tell you.
Dave, stop. You lift that weight the wrong way. Really? I just copied the guy over there. If you do it that way, you hurt your back.
Oh no, my back actually feels a little sore.
See, you need to keep your back straight. Watch me.
Okay, I am watching. You look very stable. Now you try. Go slow. Don't rush. Like this? It feels heavier this way. That is because you are using the right muscles now. Man, I have so much to learn. Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. Thanks for the tip, Mike. I don't want an injury. No problem. Safety comes first in the gym. Should I do another set? Yes, but use a lighter weight for now. Got it. Lighter weight,
straight back. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I need a large latte, but I am in a huge rush.
No problem. Do you want milk or soy?
Milk, please. Oh, wait, I don't have my wallet.
That's okay. You can pay with your phone.
I never use my phone to pay. I don't know how.
It is easy. Do you have the payment app?
I think so. My daughter installs these things.
Just open it and hold it near this machine.
Like this? I feel so silly.
Don't feel silly. It happens all the time.
Oh, it beeped. Did it work?
Yes, the payment is complete.
Wow, that is actually very fast.
See? Now you can grab your coffee and run.
You are a lifesaver. Thank you.
Have a great day.